Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the new PlayStation 5. I personally love the new design for the PS5. It looks super sleek with the white and black. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Let's get started. First, let's draw the console, which looks like a center black console sandwiched by two white panels. Start by drawing the left panel with a diagonal line here. Draw a line downwards and angle it slightly outwards. Draw the left side now, doing the same. At the bottom of the left line, draw a short line inwards on a slight angle. We're going to stop here to include the base or dock of the console. Draw a diagonal line here, and a short line, and then another diagonal line down to the right. Finish off the side by connecting the lines. Next, near the top, draw a straight line slightly lower than the top of the left panel we just drew. Draw a curved line down, and then continue the line down straight from there. This line should be shorter than the left panel we drew. Now draw a straight line and connect it to the left panel. Now let's draw the right panel. From the top edge, draw a diagonal line up and to the right. This should be the same angle as your left panel line. Draw a short line angled down, and then continue with a straight line downwards. Finish off the right panel with a diagonal line here. The non-digital edition of the PS5 has the disc reader on the right side, so let's draw this now. Start about the midpoint of the right side and draw a diagonal line down. Then draw a straight line down here and connect it to the bottom of the right panel. Draw a long rectangle inside and color it in black for the disc reader. Let's finish off the console by drawing the bottom of the dock like this. That's it for the console, but now let's draw a controller. Start by drawing the top of the controller. Then draw the sides by drawing slightly curved lines downward. Draw a curve shaped like this and attach it to the bottom. Do the same for the left side. Connect these two to finish off the outline of the controller. Draw two rectangular shapes on either side of the top and color it in black for the L1 and R1 buttons. Now let's draw the touchpad, which is in the center top. Draw two lines down on a slight angle and connect them at the bottom. From the bottom of the touchpad, draw lines downwards like this. On either side of the touchpad, draw a small oval for the Share and Options buttons. Next, at the top left of the controller, let's draw the D-pad. On the right side of the controller, draw 4 circles. In the top circle, draw a triangle. In the right circle, draw a circle. In the bottom, draw an X. And in the left circle, draw a square. Lastly, let's draw the 2 analog sticks by drawing 2 larger circles here. Inside each circle, draw another set of circles for the eyes. In each eye, draw a small circle for the reflection. Color in the eyes black. Now let's finish with a U shape in the middle for the mouth. Lastly, let's draw a cute face on our console. And that's it for our cute PlayStation 5 drawing. Now let's get it colored. Hope you enjoyed drawing the new Sony PS5 with me. Comment below your thoughts on the new design. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!